In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoPro Hero cameras to OBS Studio Windows. By the end, you'll have your GoPro showing up as a clean webcam source inside OBS, ready for streaming, meetings, or recording. First, download and install the GoPro Webcam Desktop utility for Windows. Grab it from GoPro's official website, then run the installer and follow the prompts. If OBS is open, close it before installing so Windows can register the new virtual camera properly. When the install finishes, you should see a small GoPro icon in your system tray, which means the utility is running in the background and ready. Next, connect your GoPro to your PC using a USB-C cable. Use a data-capable cable and, if possible, plug directly into a USB 3 port on your computer rather than a hub. A solid connection helps ensure stable video with fewer dropouts. Now, power on the camera. After a moment, a USB icon should appear on the GoPro's screen. That icon indicates the GoPro webcam utility has recognized the camera and is routing video to Windows as a webcam source. If you don't see the icon right away, wait a few seconds, then briefly unplug and replug the cable to let Windows reacquire the device. Open OBS Studio. In your scene, look for the Sources box, click the plus sign, and choose Video Capture Device. This tells OBS you want to add a camera-style input to the scene you're working in. Give it a clear name like GoPro so you can easily find it later, then click OK to continue. In the device dropdown, select GoPro Webcam. Within the same window, you can optionally set the resolution and frame rate. For a good balance of quality and performance, 1080p at 30 frames per second works well on most systems. If your lighting is excellent and your PC is powerful, try a higher frame rate. Click OK and you should see your GoPro's live view in the preview. If the GoPro webcam option doesn't appear, restart the GoPro webcam utility from your system tray and give OBS a quick restart as well. Make sure the USB cable is connected firmly and the camera is powered on with the USB icon visible. Switching to a different USB port can also help if Windows hasn't enumerated the device correctly. That's it. Your GoPro is now connected to OBS on Windows and you're ready to record or go live with crisp wide-angle video.